Most awaited show Bigg Boss Season 8 will soon be on air. Everybody is direly waiting to know who the contestants are. From our internal sources, we've been able to get some names who will be the contestants of Bigg Boss Season 8 this year. Let's have a look. Sushant Divgikar, who was crowned Mr. Gay India 2014. Sonali Roth from the Bollywood film The Expose. Karishma Tanna, television actress. Upen Patel, actor. Arya Babbar, Bollywood actor. Gautam Gulati, last seen in TV's popular show Diya Aur Baati Hum. Puneet Isar, actor. Minisha Lamba, Bollywood actor. Ajit Chandela got into controversy in IPL 6. Deepshika Nagpal worked with Salman Khan and partner. Last seen in TV show Madhubala, Ek Ishq Ek Junoon. Soni Singh, last seen as Kalika as a negative character in Saraswati Chandra. Neha Sawant.
Hi, this is Avinash Sachdev and you're watching me on IndiaForums.com. Please subscribe to WhatsApp TV.